What's up guys, in this video I will show you two ways to log into Netflix on your Hisense Smart TV. Over here is my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, but it doesn't really matter the type of Smart TV you have. So whether you have a Hisense Android Smart TV or a Hisense Roku TV or a Hisense Google TV, it doesn't really matter. The Netflix app is usually the same across all the Hisense Smart TV. So this should work for every Hisense Smart TV model that you have. Now I am going to show you two ways to log into Netflix on your Smart TV. First is to log in using your smartphone by scanning the QR code on the TV, and secondly will be to basically enter your password and your email. That is for those that are unable to scan QR codes from their mobile phone. Now on the first method, what you just want to do is to basically go open the Netflix application like so, and you're going to see the sign in option over there, and what you just want to do is to click on sign in like so, and you're going to be shown this QR code like so. So what you want to do on your mobile phone, now this is my mobile phone, for some persons you can basically use the camera application on your phone and scan the QR code, and it will automatically take you to the Netflix website where you can log in. Or alternatively, you can get an app like a QR code scanner from the Google Play Store. Just download any QR code scanner from the Google Play Store. In this case, I am going to be using this one. Now, these are for phones that cannot directly scan QR codes. So once you get an app like this, you can basically place it on the front of your TV like so, and it's going to scan the code and then give you the link for logging in. Now, what you just want to do once you scan the code like mine is to click on this button, and it will show you this login code, and you want to make sure that the login code on your Netflix application like so is the same with the one on your TV. Now, if you're logged into Netflix on your mobile phone already, what you just want to do is to sign into TV, and automatically your TV will be signed into Netflix with your account. Now, another method to log into Netflix on your Hisense Smart TV is basically for you to enter your email and your password that was used to register your Netflix account on your mobile phone or anywhere you created the account. So what you want to do is to basically click on the sign in button like so here. So you just want to click on sign in. And instead of you to use your phone, which is the option, you want to use your remote, and then make sure you swipe to use remote like so. And you will now be expected to log in with your email and your password. Now, what you just want to do here is to basically enter your email and then use your remote control to basically navigate through all of the letters here to enter your password. So in my case, what I just want to do is to enter my password. Now, after you must have entered your password and your email just like so, you want to go ahead and scroll down till you get to the next button and just click on OK. And your account will be automatically logged into your Smart TV as well. So that is simply how to log into Netflix on your Hisense Smart TV using your mobile phone or using your email and your password. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.